How to fix the Valorant screen freezing. The first thing that you need to do is head over to the search bar, type in Valorant, and then open file location. Go to open file location again, right click on Write Client Services, go to Properties, Compatibility, and check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. And then hit Apply. Go back, then go to Valorant, Live, and then do the same thing with Valorant, the application. Right click on it, Properties, Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and Apply. Now if that doesn't work, go to the Settings, go to System. Down here you're gonna see About, click that. You're gonna see Advanced System Settings on the right, click that. Then under Advanced, you're gonna see Performance, click those settings. Go to Advanced, and then change this. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drivers. Go to the Custom Size, and then make sure that the initial size matches the recommended one by your system. So in my case, it's 2938. 2938. And now the maximum size should either be double or 50% more than this. So this is 2938 times 1.5, and just type in this number without the dot here. Then just click on Set here. And then restart your computer. Now if that doesn't work, go to Graphics Settings in Windows again, and make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned off. And that's how to fix freezing in Valorant. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.